Hi, welcome to this tutorial video for NDC eLibrary. In this video, we will see all the content services and features of NDC eLibrary so that you can take full benefit of the platform. NDC eLibrary sits at ndc.refread.com. Please make sure you do not use www in the URL. ndc.refread.com is good enough. Please note that in order to access the platform, login is mandatory, especially when you are trying to access content from outside the campus network. Some features like saving content for future reference, setting up DOC alerts, or placing item requests require you to log in. In general also, we recommend all our users to log in so that we can understand your reading behavior, your content requirements, and can serve you better. Now let's look at the platform. To access the platform, the first thing you need to do is log in. Click on this login button on the top right corner. You can log in using your locker ID and the password, or your registered email address and the password. I'm going to enter my demo account and the password, and I can click on the sign in button. In case you do not have your login details, please reach out to us at support@refread.com or the library at ndclibrary@gmail.com, and we'll get back to you with your login details. Once you are logged in, for the first time, we recommend our users to set up their own secret password. You can do that by clicking on this change password link. Just enter your current password and set up the new password, and you're good to go. Once you're logged in the platform, you have full access to all the content services. You can browse content by discipline, by publisher. As you can see here, NDC subscribes to some of the world's most renowned publishers and standalone publications listed here in the by publisher section. I'll click on one of these, let's say Press Reader, which is the world's largest aggregator of news and magazine publications. There are more than 7,000 publications here. All I need to do is just click on one of them on the read button. The platform will do all the work, will authenticate me on the publisher platform. I don't need to do any parallel login in most cases. I can just click on the issue and I can read it online. It's as simple as that. I click on any article and I can read the issue there. This time let's just try and access some journals from Taylor & Francis. I click on the Taylor & Francis journals link. I get the 42 journals subscribed by the library. I'll click on read button again. Like before, the platform will do the authentication on the publisher platform, and I will have full text access to all the journal articles of this particular journal from Taylor & Francis. Let's click on one article. And you can read the full text of this article in HTML format, or download the PDF for offline reading. You can similarly browse publications by publisher by clicking on any of these links. There are many standalone publications like Wall Street Journal, The Economist, The Diplomat available on the platform, which might require you to do a parallel login. The login credentials for these standalone publications will be intimated by the platform once you click on the read button. You can also browse content by format. In this example, I've just clicked on videos and you'll see there are more than 20,000 expert talks for defense and international studies available on the platform. You just need to click on the watch button to see these videos. We also have a great collection of audiobooks covering some of the most popular classics and literary works in Hindi, English, and some of the Indian regional languages. Similarly, you can browse content by format. You have journals, magazines, news publications available here. This particular link for essential readings is perhaps the most important section on the platform. You will find all the studies, all the topics covered in NDC Course featured here, and library team works very hard to upload resources for each study on the platform. We recommend all users to go through these essential readings and featured topical collections. Now let's see how the search works. I'm going to do a keyword search for grand strategy. And as you can see, in one search, the platform brings in more than 1900 publications related to my search, which I can filter using this year of publication filter, the access filter, which shows me that we have some subscriptions, open access, as well as some print books related to my keyword available in the library. And I can apply filter by media type, by author, or by publisher to drill down the search results. I can also click on this articles tab next to eCatalog to find research articles and news articles related to my keyword. Make sure you click on this Get More Results button to broaden the search base, and as soon as you do that, you can see that the platform fetches all the relevant and subscribed research and news articles from all the thousands of news and research publications that the library has access to. I've applied a filter on Taylor and Francis, and I'll just click on the read button on one of these articles to access the full text of this article. From anywhere, anytime, I'll have full text access to all these articles and publications. And if the library has uploaded anything on the platform in one of the topical collections, then you can find it in this collections tab. On the eLibrary, you can use Boolean operators just like you do on Google, the and, or the phrase search, which is done using the double quotes on either sides of your keywords. And if you do the phrase search, you will see that the platform will show you lesser number of results, but more precise and specific results related to your keywords. You can also use this advanced search form to perform more targeted and complex search queries at the catalog level or for research articles. Now let's just go back to the search results to show you a couple of more features. If you want to save some content for future reference, let's say this particular report, you'll find this button called Add to Reading List on every result. You can create as many folders as you want to, and you can save as many documents as you want to in those folders. I'll just save one more ebook into the same folder. Just to explain the process once again, click on this Add to Reading List button, select a pre-existing folder or you can create a new one, and you will see that the documents are saved in your reading list, and you can find your reading list on the click of your name. And you can select these documents, the ones you have saved in reading list, and you can email the links to your colleague from NDC if you are working on a common project. You can also export citations in one of the three formats. Currently we support APA, MLA and Chicago citation format. It's a good habit to keep saving whatever documents you are reading in the reading list for managing your references, but you can always look at your entire reading history in the library. Please note that all the content services and features I showed you on the web platform are also available through a custom built mobile app, which is available both on the App Store and on the Android Google Play Store. Please note that your IP will be blocked if you make more than 4 unsuccessful attempts to log in. The library is very sensitive to publishers, copyrights, and intellectual property rights, so you must never share your account details with anyone. You can read as many as 100 resources from outside the campus, and if you want this limit to be increased, or you need any assistance, or you have any feedback or suggestions for us, please do write to us at ndclibrary@gmail.com or support@refread.com. You can also reach out to us through WhatsApp on this number. We will keep adding more content and services on this eLibrary to serve your research and learning needs. We will be waiting for your feedback and your suggestions. Happy reading.